Dr. Shantaram Shetty, I have to tell one thing. During the recent Lions India magazine, Dr. Shantaram Shetty was named as the heroes of Lionism, and truly he is a hero of this region. 1996-97, Lion Shirish Gurjar from Lions Club of Koppa. 1999-2000, Dr. Santosh Kumar Shastri. Sir, please come over the dais. He is from Lions Club of Mangalore. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. And his slogan was Lionism, a chariot of service. He is the associate editor of Lions India magazine, a second generation after his father, late Dr. M.C. Shastri. Dr. Santosh, too, responsible for 15 clubs extension in the unbifurcated district. He is known as walking encyclopedia of Lionism. Here is Dr. Santosh Kumar Shastri. Then comes 2003-2004, Professor Dr. B. Ramadas Rai from Lions Club Mangalore, District Governor, post bifurcation with the new district number 317D, and past multiple council chairperson of the unbifurcated multiple, almost South India, that is Professor Dr. B. Ramadas Rai.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very big round of applause for all these stalwarts who has led this great district in a very distinctive manner. Thank you very much, sir, for being such a wonderful coaches, such a wonderful instructors, and all the guiding factor what you have done to this great district of 317.
In order to fulfill our international president's dream, we put on our jogging shoes to run with Good Run's mission of gender parity. We as women have a great task to overcome the proverbial glass ceiling. But surprisingly, in our district, we did not encounter any overtones of male chauvinism. So that made our job much easier. Here is a district governor who spews optimism and good cheer and brought in real radiance into our path and proved that he does believe in gender equality. He gave us a long leash so we could add a dash of innovation in whatever we did. This being something new, we learnt the ropes on the job. We switched on the beacon on the 23rd of December with a New Voices symposium in Mangalore, and we invited our constitutional area speaker for New Voices, Dr. Suchitra Sudhir, as our chief guest. The following month, there was a New Voices conclave at Bangalore, which I attended. All the districts were requested to send the report of the activities conducted by the Lion Ladies and New Voices. The three of them, that is Soumya, Swarupa and Kavita, stood together and straight as an arrow, they shot a very precise PPT which hit the bullseye. There was a collective sigh of superlatives when after ours was presented. So the blue ribbon for that goes to the three of them. I had the privilege of conducting a session on leadership and motivation at the conclave. On the 23rd of February, our New Voices coordinator for membership, Soumya Shetty, gave a talk on new voices and Lionism in general to a gathering of 450 teachers in order to sway them into our organization. The credit for that goes to Vani Alva, who does this king-sized programs with incredible ease and style.
Of lioness to lion and induction of the lady lion members, that the induction will be done by
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಬರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮ, ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅವು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿವಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿವಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
Master of Ceremony, Vijay Vishnu. Presiding officer, Paros Devdas Bandari, District Governor, and his Paro, Sukhlata Bandari. Give a thunderous applause for your governor, man, who is such a humble and simple personality, what I have seen since today afternoon. A very simple man. It is very rare these days to get district governors like Devdas Bandari. My friend and elder brother, my guide, and a friend who has always guided me to be here, our own past international director Krishna Reddy, and the future of Lions Clubs International, the future of India, the future of 317 Multiple, the Lion who will be leading us from 2020 to 22 till New Delhi Convention, Lion Vamsidhar Babu, multiple endorsee for International Director, our both the Vice District Governor, Gomes and Anita Bhabi, and Lion Geet Prakash and Gayatri Bhabi, our respected PMCCs, our respected permanent district guides. PDGs are always, I call them permanent district guides. The organizing team, the coordinators, the chief coordinator, the co-coordinators, and so many coordinators, Lions, Lionesses, Leos, of course Leo Pallavi, and my dear friends. Friends, Mulu Seridina, Mata Tulu, Banda Virugu, Solemallu. Illi Nerevadderuvira, Kannada Banda Verigu, Namaskargalu. I have tried my best. But if I am wrong, okay, then I am not sorry. Friends, Namaste. No. Things are going at very low level. I want to have some high pitch from you. Namaste. That's the way I want it. Master of ceremony called me as Punjab the chair, although I belong to Delhi. But I'm born from Punjab, so that's why he must have called from Punjab the chair. So I have to behave like that. Of course, our Sir, Colonel Saab, all the awardees today, all the people, all the honorable Lions and non-Lions who have been awarded by our district governor, Lion Bandari. Abhinandan, sir, Abhinandan. Abhinandan to you and Abhinandan to our Abhinandan who came back from Pakistan yesterday. Friends, these are some days, there are very few days in your life when you feel so patriotic. These are the days when everybody here is feeling patriotic, loving our country much more than what we were loving before 14th of February. I bow my head to the people who made their sacrifice. I bow my head to the people, or to the families of those who have sacrificed. It's very easy to talk here, but it is very difficult for those families to bear. But we have to face all these eventualities. And why this is happening, it should not have happened. Everybody says like that. But what is happening, we have to face. And bravely, our forces, our leadership, our political leadership with a strong will, they are facing everything. Friends, when I was invited to be a chief guest in 317D, I had decided to come along with my spouse, and I wanted to spend 1 or 2 days in Coorg also. But because 3 days back my son's first wedding anniversary was there, so he went to Singapore cruise. So my wife is looking after my father, so I'm missing that Coorg today. And I'm missing her also here. Because the kind of wonderful ladies I saw today, wonderful ladies, gracious, wonderful ladies, starting from the gate, I really appreciate your enthusiasm. Friends, it was a very warm welcome with a traditional dance, band, Bharatnatyam, very well sung prayer. Everything is perfect. The team which is working behind this banner, behind the stage, I compliment you all for working so hard, for planning so well. Friends, why we joined this Lionism? 3 generations, 3 people from the same family. Santosh ji, Shastri, his father, his wife, and maybe in coming time, his next generation. It's wonderful to happen. Kavita ji introduced me very well today, but she added few things from her own also. And friends, sitting at one corner of our country in Delhi and coming to this place where 2 prime ministers you have given, I remember those days when Indira Gandhi fighted from Chikmagalur. Please pardon me, but there was a slogan at that time, Ek Bandariya Sab Langur, Chikmagalur, Chikmagalur. I remember. This was the slogan at that time. And she came back from here only, from this district only. You have given chief ministers, you have given Karyappa, Themaiya, such a wonderful land, such a pious land I have been to. Thank you very much, Krishna, for inviting me to be a part of this function. I have never honored so many people in one function before. And Krishna was telling me that JP, by the time you will leave, you will lose at least 1 kg. So that I said that then I am also an achiever. Today, if I lose 1 kg, I am also an achiever. So, my compliments to each and everyone who has contributed a lot, especially those MJFs, PMJFs, all those contributors who are just honored. You have contributed for the cause of Lionism. That is why we joined this Lionism. What is the difference between an ordinary person and a lion? Why you are so proud to be a lion? What is the difference between an ordinary person and a lion? If somebody asks me, I will say, this service, our slogan, we serve, that makes the difference for being a lion or being a non-lion. You may do service being a non-lion also, but the way you are recognized here, the way when you get together, do the amount of service, that is tremendous. We have already crossed the milestone of 200 million in a year. This year we have already crossed that. We have served more than 200 million in the entire world in this Lionistic year so far. A clap for all of you, please. For yourself. You see, thinking at home, or I will do it, I should do it, is one thing. But human mind is like a parachute. it works when only it opens. Unless and until it is tied, it will not work. When you will push the button, it will open. Only then it works. Like Abhinandan came out of that MiG-21. Human mind is also like that. So you all have to be with open mind, accept this Lionism. Friends, there are many leaders we have produced. This platform, this dais, this podium, I say this is the factory of leadership. This is the factory of leadership, where leaders are produced. People like me, who are afraid of this podium, who ran away when he was vice president. I was vice president, I ran away from this dais when I was called to speak first. From when my president was not there, I was asked to speak for the first time from the podium in dais. Then I came to know that why this podium is kept here. Because when your legs are trembling, nobody can see that. This is the platform from where you can take so much, you can learn. And I hope hunger to learn is there with you. And as much hunger you have, that much you will learn, friends. That much you will learn. A lady from a country of Iceland, with population of only 330,000, she becomes an international director, then becomes the first ever international president of the world's largest service organization, Lions Clubs International, Lady Gudrun Ingvadottir. Let us all clap for her. We are being led by a lady for the first time, and we are doing a wonderful job, friends. And I have seen the ladies dressed in different colors, almost same kind of colors here, and such vibration was there that it inspired the others also. Our Lady Gudrun called us gave us the call for new voices. New voices doesn't mean that she is saying only that you have to enroll the women members. No, not only enroll, give them leadership chance, give them opportunities to lead. I am happy that you have some past district governor ladies. Lady presidents, please rise in your seats. How many lady presidents we have in this crowd, please? Lady presidents, please rise in your seats. Please, khade ho jao ek baar. Yes, 1, 2. Yeah, khade ho. Yes. Wow, 5, 6, 7. I'm telling you, Mohanji, that I belong to a club which is now in 27th year. Please take your seats. In 27 years, we had about 18 women presidents. And I was talking to PID Krishna that whenever we have a women president in our club, our work, our service projects are 3 times. This is the beauty of the lady leadership which is there. Friends, our incoming district governor, whom you will be electing on 6th of April as DG elect, has already gone to Chicago. He's already got his training. He's ready to work with you now. He's ready to launch another, you can say, attack of service. So let us all be with him, and when he is there as the district governor, that's the beauty of Lionism. Whatever we do in a year, when the next governor comes, the outgoing governors very happily hands over the charge to the incoming governor. And when the incoming governor works more, achieves more, breaks more records, the outgoing is more happier that yes, my vice governor is doing that. That is the beauty of Lionism, friends. 24 Melvin Jones Fellows. Somebody, district contributed about 10,000 and some contributor also, this coordinator also contributed 5,000. but 24 MJFs. You have got a grant of $100,000 for your special school. Special school. I don't know what was the reason of the moratorium, but I am happy that you have come out of it. You have got the emergency grant. This is the LCIF where we donate, and this is the LCIF from where we get these grants. And this LCIF was adjudged as the best managed NGO a few years back by a survey by an agency appointed by the United Nations, independent agency, which surveyed Rotary, Giants, JCs, UNESCO, UNICEF, all other big NGOs. And they are just as the number one managed organization. Why we were adjudged best? Because every single penny you donate, that is never done in expense account. No expenses are done from that account. Our expenses are done from either from interest account or from the LCI. Every single penny donated to the LCIF goes to the charity, that is spent on the charity. That is why you got all these grants. And friends, I am happy that you have honored many MJFs today. But Naresh Agarwal, our immediate past international president, he gave me 2 pins yesterday. He's launched a new LCIF pin yesterday. He said that any 2 MJFs you will make tomorrow in Mangalore, any 2 MJFs coming out of the crowd will get those 2 pins for MJF. So this is a lucky chance for you to become MJF in presence of all these luminaries. You will be honored and you will be rewarded that Naresh Agarwal, who is the LCIF chairperson's pin. Anybody from you? Yes, one. There's only one left. Please. There's another one. Are you coming? Okay, you're coming for the photo. Photo is must. Anybody else? Only 2 pins. There's another one. Okay. Let us clap for all these 2 MJFs. Home for the homeless. Special Children's School. Many other projects, dialysis centers, blood banks, many projects. This is the beauty of 317D. And that is why this Dakshin Kannada district is known for good projects, friends. Friends, I don't know what you are doing for the Special Children's School, but recently I have been in Mumbai, where the Special Children program was there. I was really moved. Similarly, I know that you must also be doing something for the special children. Our Prime Minister Modi has given the name to the special children as Divyang. And he's doing very good number of projects for Divyang also. Friends, our international president's theme this year is Beyond the Horizon. Why? He said, if you can achieve the horizon, you have to look beyond the horizon. We all are into 2nd century of service now. We all celebrated 100 years of Lionism 1 year back. It is very good. We did a wonderful job in last 100 years. We celebrated, that was must. But now, 2nd century of Lionism have started. We have celebrated the legacy of the projects which the Lions of last 100 years did. You are the stepping stones of the next century. Stepping stones. After 200 years, maybe I am not here, maybe you are there. I will not be there. But after 200 years, when 2nd century will be celebrated, that will be the legacy left by you people. That will be what you have done in second century. We have done many small projects in last 100 years. Now is the time when we should go for the big projects. If we are the largest in the world, we have to be largest in the big projects also. That is what is needed from all of you. And I tell you, every 1,000-mile journey starts with a first step. If you take first step, definitely you will be reaching your goal. Kavita ji was talking about the blood bank. When I was started the blood bank, I asked for donations. I could collect 51 lakh rupees for 100 people, 51,000 each. I could start one blood bank with that money in an old building which was lying in shambles, had 20 lakh rupees of debt on that building. We cleared that debt. We got one grant from LCIF for 32 lakhs. We built that blood bank. We started it with the friendly loan because we did not have the money for running expenses. Friendly loans we took and then we started. But today we have 2 blood banks with 10 crores of worth of machineries. With state-of-art tests we are doing, state-of-art machineries we have in our blood banks, both the blood banks. We are doing the NAT test, which is a worth of 1,000 rupees per test. We are doing it for the every unit. And we have a corpus fund of about 8.5 crores now. It started with a very small step, friends. All of you must be thinking now that the year of Bhandari ji is going because already 8 months are gone and 9th month have started. No, friends. If you have not done anything to justify the post or the duty given by the district governor, this is the time to do so. Where you start is never been important. Where you finish, that is important. In any race, you started late or you started early or you started on time, that is never counted. All the sprinters who touch the first, that tape, that is considered the winner. And 30th June is the tape. At 30th June, in this 4 months, you can beat the records of others who have done for the last 8 months. If you are willing to do so, if you have will to do. And nobody can stop you. Like, you can say, we have a great man from our country in Sachin Tendulkar. But do you think that Sachin Tendulkar, just because he is God gifted, that is why he is called great cricketer? No. He spent hours and hours in the sun, every day, many years together, practicing, learning. Then only he has become a Sachin Tendulkar. If you also want to become Sachin Tendulkar, you also want to become Devdas Bhandari, Krishna Reddy, Vamsi Babu, start doing something from today. They have given their years together to this organization. Not only spending money. If you are doing any service, any kind of service, that can bring you here. Service is the main motto of our organization, friends. And now I have been assigned the duty to induct the new voices. The lions who have become lions from lionesses, I have been assigned the duty to induct them. Please, I call upon all of them to be here. Similarly, when you are coming to different projects, different clubs, you will have to sacrifice some of the family engagements. But you will love, because this is our religion, this is our culture. This is how we are taught from our birth, in our homes, by our mama, papa, nani, dadi, and everybody, our seniors, our elders. This is how we are taught. May it be Muslim, may it be Hindu, may it be Sikh. Every religion we are being taught like this in our country. Because we belong to that country which has cultural values. Oh, you are the people You are the people who are responsible what we will be getting tomorrow, future. So develop that future and do something for the society. And I want to take a promise from all of you that from today onwards, at least 2 projects a month every lady will do. Will you do it? 2 projects at least. Right? Okay? No. I will not receive. Yes? No. The way you speak to your husband at home, please speak like that. Yes, she speaks like that to her husband. There you see, that's the way. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Thank you for being Lions. Friends, I know you have been sitting for a long time, and now I can see their counter also. And I know the Lions are very thirsty at this hour. And lionesses are hungry. And lady lions, I don't want you to be in front of the hungry ladies, right? So I will not take much of your time, but with this message that continue to honor people like this Colonel Saab. Continue to honor people like this farmer. Continue to honor people like who has been honored for the art and culture. A banker. That brings much of the public relation to our organization. We need that public relation to be the best in our country. And this type of functions, I have learned from you, and I will definitely do it in my district next year. Achievers Day. I have never listened to this name before in Lionism last 29 years. Maybe honoring something, everything is there. Achievers Day. I have never listened to that. So my compliments to you, District Governor, to First Vice District Governor, and a doctor who is here, Dr. Geet Prakash, who is here. His patients are there, but is still here with us. You are laughing? Your clients are also there. They are also waiting for you, Mr. Advocate. We all have these professions. We have to sacrifice. And let us all clap for these past district governors who have given their ears together to this organization. And let us take advantage of this experience. Let us take guidance from them to build up a new Lionism, the 2nd century Lionism. And I hope I have not offended anyone, and I am sure that you will continue to give me the love and affection as you have given to me today for the entire Lionistic career of mine. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Lionwad. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you very much.
They say people can be divided into 3 groups. Those who make things happen. Second, those who watch things happen. And the third, those who wonder what happened. I am here to introduce a Lion leader who belongs to the first category, who thinks big and get big things done. In the first decade of this millennium, when district governors were rejoicing and blowing their trumpets of great mountaintop achievements, a new district governor from a newly formed district, 324 D6 from Bangalore, took the world's largest multiple district 324 by storm. Like a tornado, he demolished all the existing records and established an undisputable and unsurmountable leadership position in the Lions Club International. That's our past international director, Lion Krishna Reddy. His club became the first model club in the world by contributing $107,000 to LCIF. He motivated the Lions of his district and enrolled 140 MJFs and PMJFs, which is a Lions Club International record. During his governorship, his district became number 1 in the multiple, number 2 in the country, and number 4 in the world in membership development. As a multiple council chairman, he got 10,288 membership growth in net membership growth in his multiple, which is again an international record for the last 38 years. He just doesn't talk but walks the talk too. He personally donated $1 lakh to the LCIF and became a lead gift donor. He was present at the Knights of the Leadership Medal in the 91st International Convention at Bangkok. List is very huge. I don't have time. It is suffice to say that he is awarded the highest honor, Ambassador of the Goodwill Award, by the International, presented by President Rohit Mehta in the 89th International Convention at Boston. Lion Reddy is a very visible and friendly lion in our country. He stamps his presence wherever he goes. Attended about 12 international conventions, all area forums, and all multiple conventions. Just a phone call from me was enough for him to accept the request of my home club, Lions Club of Surathkal, to be the installation officer and the chief guest of our Golden Jubilee celebrations this year. Thank you, sir. And he was instrumental in getting the highest grant for our special school, $1 lakh. And he was instrumental for getting the moratorium lifted for our district. We are grateful to you, Lion Leader Krishna Reddy. Any leader, for that matter, can achieve great things only with the help of his family members and dear ones. His charming wife, Lion PMJF Gauri, is a charter member of Lions Club Ladybird in Bangalore. His children, Siddharth and Sauri are also MJF members. Indeed, a very great Lion family. Lastly, he is a fast achiever, super fast achiever. During the last 12 years, I had close encounters with this Lion. All of you know.
Congratulate your district governor Devadas Bhandari for excellent leadership to this district. Go ahead, give a round of applause to your governor. An excellent motivation for all the Lions of this district and all the Lions clubs for doing good service to the community. And my dear governor, ably supported by both the vice governors, Gomes and Dr. Geet Prakash, you have done a great job, and with all the support of all the Lions of this district. I also would like to congratulate and compliment all the achievers today who have been recognized for your wonderful service to the community in various fields. And also I would like to thank our governor for identifying you and recognizing your services. Thank you, Governor, for this wonderful opportunity. It's my pleasure to be part of this Achievers Day today. And Lion JP Singh, director today, is here with us to be part of this celebrations. And I'm really happy, Director JP. I call him fondly JP. And he's a good friend of mine, whether director or no director or past director, he's a good friend of mine. And always, whenever I go to Delhi, he's a good friend, giving company for good, bad, everything. Thank you, JP, being here. Friends, I don't want to take much of your time. I would like to thank each one of you for making this district a wonderful district and wish you all the
Presiding
best.
officer, the distinguished leadership present here, brothers and sisters in the cause of service, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. It's always been a pleasure coming to 317D. In the last few years, I have not missed a single opportunity to come to Mangalore and participate in 317D. Friends, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate and compliment District Governor Devadas Bhandari for the exemplary leadership he has provided to 317D this year. Congratulations, Governor. I also would like to congratulate and compliment all those people, all those achievers who have shown their passion and commitment, who have been felicitated today. Congratulations and compliments to all.
The plague which it says is the same drawing, same art which has won the 23rd place in international level of the Peace Poster contest, ladies and sir.
Lion V. Krishna Reddy ji and other dignitaries on the dais, settlers on silence of fraternity sitting in front of the dais, PDGs, Lion friends, Leos and Cubs. It is indeed an honor for me to proper vote of thanks. First of all, I thank from the bottom of my heart International Director GP Singh ji, who in spite of their busy schedule have graced this occasion and spoken with wisdom to enlighten us. Thank you, sir. I thank the guest of honor, Lion V. Krishna Reddy sir, past international director, for gracing the occasion and inspiring us. Thank you, sir. I thank Lion Vamshidhar Babuji, international director, endorsee from our multiple for his fantastic felicitation. Thank you, sir. I sincere thanks to our beloved district governor, Lion K. Devadas Bandari, and First Lady of District, Lion Sukalata Bandari, for presiding over the function and conducting this mega event in a good manner. Thank you, sir. I thank our IPDG, Lion first VDG, Lion Ronald I. Gomes, second VDG, Dr. Git Prakash, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to all achievers who gracefully agreed to come and receive our honor, Lion P. Jairam Bhatt, Lion Dr. Vasant Baliga, Lion SM Iron, Colonel Nitteguttu Bandari sir. Thank you, sir. And also our Praveen K. Indra, Lion HP Ashok, who with their women service to the Lionism and humanity in general have enriched our district. Thank you, sir. I thank my co-ordinator, Lion Srinivas Pujari Melkar, for his tireless work in making this function a grand success. Thank you. I thank Cabinet Secretary, Lion Balakrishna Hegade, Cabinet Treasurer, Lion Srinath Konde, and PRO, my friend Chandra Shetty, and Coordinator Raman Alwa, District DG Coordinator Soumya Shetty, District Events Coordinator BM Bharati, Lady Lion Ambassador Indira A. Shetty, and District Leo President Pallavi G. Pai for this gracious presence. I sincerely thank all the first district governors for District 317D, not only for their presence and also the women service they did to the district during their respective tenure. Thank you, sir.